somebody, when you're going through trials and tribulation, you just say, God, I'm looking for my revelation. Because the reason why God allowed this pastor Reid is because God want to show you something at the end of it. And if you just keep on walking, you will see the door. You will see that door of revelation of the goodness of God in your life. And that's why in Romans chapter 8:28, the Bible says that all things work together for the good to them that love God and walk according to his purpose. He said it will work for your good. Talked about it will work for your good. Lied on, it will work for your good. Being terminated from the job, it will work for your good. Demotion will work for your good. Sickness in the body will work for your good. Turn down will work for your good. Push over will work for your good. Walk away from, it will work for your good. Lied on, it will work for your good. Cast down, it will work for your good through the fire. It will work for your good through the flood. It will work for your good. It does not matter what comes your way. God says it will work for your good. Can somebody praise him?